Recently, whenever I tried to update applications on my iPhone, few apps were asking for a password or a Apple ID verification. It was not happening with all the applications, but few. Even though I entered my current Apple ID password, it was not taking and saying it was a wrong password. So now how to fix this? So hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll see how to fix this error or how to find out a solution for this issue. So let's start the video and find a solution for this. Talking about a solution, a very common reason behind this is a different Apple ID. In simple words, let me explain with my own example. So in simple words, the application I am trying to update on my iPhone was installed by using a different Apple ID than my current App Store Apple ID. So it means that it's a fact that whenever I try to update an application which was installed by using a different Apple ID than your current App Store ID, it will always ask for a password or a Apple ID verification. Because here the application I am trying to update is not available in my location or a region. For that I have used different Apple ID with a different region in that. So basically it will always ask for a confirmation or a verification for updation. That is one of the reason I can actually confirm for this error or a pop-up. And talking about a solution, if you remember or if you know that you have used a different Apple ID for the application, then just enter the password of the Apple ID and verify and update the application. Now if you don't remember the password for that Apple ID, then comes the next step or next solution, that what you can do, you can just reinstall the application. That means just delete the application from your device, from your iPhone, and reinstall on your iPhone or on your device. That's one way, that's one solution you can try. Or if you confirmed or if you know that you have not used any other Apple ID for the application, just the same Apple ID you used across, still you're getting this error, then instead of deleting the application, you can do one thing. You can go to settings. Okay, in settings, go to your profile, and in that, if you see here, there is an option for your App Store. Just tap on that, and here you see there is an option called sign out. Just sign out from your current Apple ID and sign in again. Okay, so whenever you sign out, just put the password, verify it, and just come back to same settings, your profile and your App Store option, and just enter your password, Apple ID and password, and just re-log into your App Store. Then you can try to update the application. Sometime there might be a glitch or something might be there. Okay, so once you re-sign in with your same Apple ID, it might get verified and solve the issue. These three solutions I felt legit and worth sharing with you guys. And there are many other workaround like reboot your device or just reset your network settings on your iPhone, something like that. Okay, you can try doing that, but here I felt there are three worth sharing with you guys, so I did. So I hope this will be helpful for you, and if it is helpful, just give a like and just subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.